Hey guys, welcome to Chill and Code. This is Jagadish over here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install Java on Windows and macOS. Let's see how to install on Windows. Initially, open your web browser and search for Oracle Java. So this is the official site. Navigate to the official site. Scroll down and check for download options. So here is the download button. And this is the downloads page of Java. So these are the available versions: JDK 22, JDK 21, JDK 17. So choose the latest one, JDK 22, and select the operating system Windows. So click on x64 installer and download this. So now once the download is completed, open the installer. So entering the password. So this is your installer. So follow the on-screen instructions. Click on next. So this will be the location where Java gets installed. So leave it default. Click on next. Amazing. So now the installation got completed and we need to set the environmental variables. So click on start and search for environmental variables. So give the system password and then click on environmental variables. So before that, go to local C and select program files. If you remember, this is where Java got installed. So go to Java JDK 22 and then go to bin folder, copy the path of bin folder, go back to environmental variables and then click on new environmental variables, give the variable name as java underscore home and the variable value the bin folder location. Click on OK. Click on OK now again. So now to verify the installation, go to command prompt and type the command java -version. Here you can see the latest version is 22.0.1, which we have downloaded right now, and it is reflecting here. So this is the process of installing Java on Windows. Let's see how to install on Mac OS. So on Mac, open your web browser and go to Java downloads. So go to official page of Oracle and then the latest version is JDK 22. So select the Mac OS and then click on DMG installer file. So once the download is complete, open the installer. And follow on-screen instructions. Click on continue, install, enter your password. Yes, so the installation got succeeded. So once the installation is completed, then we can remove the file into the bin and then let's set the environmental variables. So open the terminal and let's initially change the permissions of the profile file. So copy this command from the description and click on enter. So it asks you for the password. So once you enter the password, click on enter. So now the permissions have changed. So let's use nano editor to change the profile file settings. So copy this command from description and click on enter. So now we are in nano editor file. So here we need to give the exact path from where the Java can be located. These are the two commands. Copy paste it and then click on control plus. Here you can see we have to use control plus for exit. So click on control X and then it asks for the saving the buffer. Click on Y and the file name to write is bash profile. So we are changing the environmental variables in bash profile. So click on enter. So now the Java got installed and we have also changed the environmental variable. So let's verify the version using java-version. So here you can see it gives 22.0.1, the version which we have installed. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you are having any questions or comments, drop them below. Let's chill, learn, and code together.